welcome to my channel. I am Reed and this is Reed's Beauty Trip, and I'm in the middle of doing my face and I was like, you know what, let's film my glossy box, because this month the boxes, oh my gosh, the boxes are just so fun. And they have two different types of box. One was like the midnight or magical one, and it was a darker box, and then I got the enchanted spirit. Look at these fun boxes. So I'm really excited about it. I love, yeah, the Midnight Fantasy. That was the other one. Hold on, let me move this. The Midnight Fantasy was the other one. Here, I'll show you. So there are two, just beautiful boxes that they did for this month. So much fun. Just so much fun. So I'm excited. This one is the Beauty Tales one. I definitely am keeping this box. It's just so pretty. So now I have to figure out what to keep in it. And what I like about glossy box, and another box are those two Birchbox. They wrap it in the tissue. They have that pretty little bow. For the longest time they had the shred, so I don't know if there's shred in there or not. But you know, you just can untie it. It's just the packaging, the whole ambiance of it. I love. I do. I love. So we're going to jump into this. So the first thing we're going to jump into, let's do the mask first. I am bummed because, like, some of my friends, they have the glossy box. They got the bubble tea, but they're over in the UK. And so the UK boxes are different than a lot of times the US boxes. But this is by Ona, New York. And this is the Spotlight Radiant Glow Gel Mask. Looks like it's one of those two-piece masks. It's got niacinamide, yay, willow bark. So that's really for people that have more acne issues and oil issues with having the willow bark extract. Also has a centella and a tea tree oil. So it has a nice combinations. So how many's in here? Because it says use 2 or 3 times a week, but I'm not sure. Anyway. Interesting. So that's this one. Love how they did the packaging. It's so cute, so very fun. And that goes for, let's see what the Ona formulated with. Okay, it says, oh, I always like reading the tips really. So $9 is what the mask sells for. After cleansing, apply to face for 20 minutes or more. Remove mask and massage remaining serum into skin, which I totally recommend. I even save sometimes the serum down the bottom of the mask and use it the next day. Okay. Then we have Earth Harbor Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampule. Okay, ampules is usually not like this. This is not an ampule. But it is full size. It's very green. So it's a luminous. It's a cannabis sativa hemp and a sea green. Let's make sure it's the seed oil. That works better than just the hemp. I don't know why they have to make things green. Full of sea greens, cannabis sativa hemp oil, not the seed oil, but the hemp oil, and grapeseed oil. This therapeutic serum will energize and soothe the skin while inducing dewy luminance. So this is all about shining in this package. Let's just say that. Say goodbye to redness, dullness, and irritation. Full size, which is what I've got, sells for $32. It says apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning both morning and night. I like doing cannabis sativa products at night. It seems to help you relax more, especially the seed oil, and so it really kind of helps you relax and sleep. A lot of my friends sleep really well after using that. Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. This is a deluxe mini. I'm not going to sneeze. Maybe not. Okay, packed with superfruit, Davidson plum, desert lime, bilberry, and aloe vera. This gentle version of skin exfoliating AHA rejuvenates dull, tired skin while lightening dark circles and pigmentation. I am not good at getting it close. I don't like stuff too close under my eyes. I will be really honest. So this is worth $14.44. Full size is $21.50. So that is not a bad deal. This is probably going to go in a giveaway. Yes, it's a skincare going in a giveaway. But it's a clay mask, and those aren't my thing. Let's be honest. That's not my jam. It's not. Okay, next one is my Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I just finished this earlier this year. I finished the coconut one. So this is kind of funny. So it's a loose translucent setting powder. This is a deluxe mini. Full size is $22. Ciate's kind of gotten their pricing under control. I like their setting powders, so I am excited about that one. I have a drawer that this stuff goes into. And then the last one is KVD. It looks like KVD. It's the KVD Studded Kiss Cream in Lovecraft, which is, I think, one of her signature colors. I think I actually have it. I think I have it full size somewhere. I have a mini lipstick display right back here, and I have a hole, so it just works for it. But full size, that goes for $20. The worth of the mini is $14. I do like KVD stuff. Do I like what happened with some of the stuff she did? No. Who does? It's just a pretty ribbon. I have friends with little girls' hair, so we'll save that. My granddaughter's hair is not long enough yet. But I do like the box. I had so much fun. Like, I kept the beauty products. I kept the serum to try. The clay mask, like I said, these two are going to go in a giveaway. Because I don't do sheet masks really well. I have about 50 of them I still haven't used. That's, yeah. And so I'm like, cut off. I'm cut off until I can get down to less than 20 masks. I can't keep any. But the box, I'm keeping the box. I'm so sorry. So hopefully you like my unboxing. Hopefully you don't care about the garbage man. It's garbage day. Of course I film on garbage day. But I wish you guys could just feel this box. I just love the feel of this box. But it's just beautiful. And so it's gonna go up here somewhere. I just don't know where. Please excuse the mess. But I hope everyone has a wonderful day. I need to finish putting my face on. So I didn't know if I was gonna get an eye palette, or there was a couple things in some of my other friends' boxes, so I was like, oh, wait a minute, I need to play with that. Didn't happen, but I think I got some fun stuff. I'm happy with the box. I'm happy with the box, and I'm happy with the product in the box. So glossybox, thumbs up. I love you. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.